This is Max Headroom. And what you're about to witness is one of the most sinister-sounding intros to a trailer to one of the greatest epics ever produced in the history of television.
And welcome back to Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, ring the bell for notifications so the next time we premiere a video you can be in the live chat, join everyone else, and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. And for today, it's a SovCit Fiction double feature.
So,
sit back,
relax, and enjoy.
Officer David, what's your badge number? Sir? What's your badge number, sir?
It's right here. You can see it.
I don't see it.
It's right here.
Sir, you're supposed to identify yourself.
Officer David, it's right here.
Do you have a business card, sir?
You're going to get all that.
Sir, you're supposed to... Sir, you're not doing your job.
To obey
you're violating my rights right now.
I'm not violating your rights. You need to get out of the car.
I'm a man of principle.
I asked you for your supervisor.
He's on his way.
Okay, so we're supposed to wait until he gets here.
You want me to bust your window out first?
Sir, am I under arrest?
To do that.
Am I under arrest? You can't do anything until you tell I'm under arrest.
You are under arrest.
For what?
Yes, for refusing my commands.
That is not against.
Yes.
What
Yes,
is that? That's not a law.
To an officer, I'm giving you.
That's not a law, sir. I reserve my rights, sir. I reserve all of my rights.
All you want, sir.
I reserve all of my rights under UCC 1308, sir.
Or something.
I reserve all my rights, sir.
Okay. You
Thank
can
you.
Whatever rights you want, but I am ordering you to get out of the
You
car.
cannot order me to do. I'm a man. You can't order a man to do anything.
Yes, I am a
and my name is not Damian Smith.
Command.
I am not that entity that you think that I am.
I don't know what entity you're speaking of, but I'm
the entity that you ran, that I gave you a surrendered license. So I am not that entity that you ran on that piece of paper.
Okay, so you're telling me that's not who you are?
That is not who I am.
Okay, so you gave me a false ID?
That is not false ID.
You just told me that's not you.
That is not. How can I be a name? A piece of paper. That is a false entity, sir.
ID. You said you didn't have any.
That is a false entity, sir.
Are you Damian Smith or are you not Damian Smith?
I am the great Cornholio.
I am not a piece of paper, sir.
I didn't say you're a piece of paper.
That's who you ran on that piece of paper.
That's correct.
I'm a man.
That's right.
Okay. So those two different things, sir. You're trying to do color of law on me, sir.
Okay. Is your name Damian Smith or not?
Sir, my name is Adonaiah. That is who I am. I am referred to sometimes as. My name is identical to that name that's on that paper. But those are two different.
Okay.
Those are two different entities, sir.
Okay. I can understand that.
And you're trying to place me under arrest. You haven't articulated a crime that I've committed.
I didn't say you committed a crime.
Then why are you asking me?
You are not obeying my orders.
I'm a man. You can't order a man to do anything.
I can order you to exit the
You're not under. I'm not under your jurisdiction. I just told you, sir, that.
You are because you're driving on a public roadway.
No, I am traveling, sir. That is two different things, sir. Excuse me. I want to grab my legal papers. And I will give these to you, sir, so you can read, sir. You can read. This is the law.
I'm going to force entry into your vehicle because you're not following my commands to exit the car.
I will do so.
Step out.
I will do so under threat, duress, and coercion. I will do so. I am exiting the vehicle.
Okay.
I do not have any weapons.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And I do not consent to searches.
Step out.
I do not consent to searches.
Step out.
And I reserve all of my rights.
That's fine. Step on out.
I reserve all of my rights, sir. I do not consent to searches.
Yep. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for refusing my commands.
I'll just hold your phone.
And one down. So, I promised you a double feature. Let's go.
There's more. Because you are going to see it as well.
Look at this. Look at this, guys.
Get out of the vehicle.
I didn't do nothing.
Get out of the vehicle.
Nothing.
Now.
Look at this.
Keep your hands where I can see them.
Look at
Get out
this.
of the vehicle.
I didn't do
Now.
guys. Look at this, guys. Everybody, look at this.
You are under arrest. Get out of the vehicle.
I didn't do.
You are under arrest.
What
Get
did
out
I
of the
do?
vehicle.
I didn't do nothing.
Do it now.
I didn't do
Open
nothing.
the door and get out of the vehicle.
You didn't
Get
ask me
out
for
of the
nothing.
vehicle.
You just want me to get
Get
out
out
for
of the
what?
vehicle
What did
now.
I do? What did I do? Look at this, guys. They breaking my windows, bro. I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, you didn't start recording until they started breaking your windows, so I'm guessing your doing nothing contains not giving information as requested, hence the breaking window.
What's
What's your badge number?
Get out of the vehicle. We're
For
not
what?
talking about that.
For
Get out of
what?
the vehicle. You're
I
under
live
arrest.
here. I live here. I didn't.
Under arrest. Let's go. Keep your
Don't
hands
touch
up.
me.
Keep your hands
Don't
up
touch
where I
me.
can see it.
Don't touch me. Everybody, look at this.
Go ahead.
2 female cops harassing me. Look at this. Harassing me, bro.
You need to get out of the vehicle.
I didn't do nothing, bro. What did I do to you guys? Y'all just was going the other way. I came to pull up to check something. For what?
I've told you a million times. Get out of the vehicle.
Don't touch me, bro.
I am going to touch you because you're under arrest.
Yo, can y'all share this, guys?
Unlock the car.
Share this.
Oh, we're sharing it. Don't you worry about that.
Yo, can y'all share this? Share this. Share this.
Go ahead.
I didn't do nothing.
Keep
I
your
was
hands
driving,
up. Keep
minding
your
my
hands
business. Driving, minding my business. They turn around.
Got the unlock.
Yo, bro, I didn't do shit. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Out of the car.
Look at this.
Out of the car now.
Yo, share this,
Get out of
y'all.
the car. You're under arrest.
Share
You're
this.
state police.
Share this. Stop touching me.
Get out of the car.
Don't
Get
touch
out
me.
of the car. You're under arrest.
I want to call y'all sergeant.
You can after you
No, y'all don't touch me. Call y'all sergeant. Don't
get out
touch
of the
me.
car. You're
Don't
under
touch me.
arrest.
Yo, share this. Share this, everybody.
Yes, we're sharing your resisting arrest right now as we speak.
Get out of the car. You're under
Share this.
arrest.
I'm gonna sue the shit out y'all because I didn't
Get in
do.
the car. Keep your hand up.
I just went through that with y'all
Keep
about
your
my
hand
car,
up. Get out of the
and
car.
they just released me. So I don't know what y'all going through.
Go ahead.
Trust. Don't tase me. I got heart problems, so tase me. So if I,
Out of the car.
yo, I'm coming out the car.
Get
Let me
out of the
come
car.
out. Let me come out the car.
Get
Don't
out of
touch
the car
me.
now.
Let me come out the
Get out of
fucking
the car.
car.
You're resisting. Stop.
Crispy critter.
Serious?
Car.
Y'all serious? Stop trying to push me. I'm not trying to resist. Chill. I'm talking to y'all.
On your knees.
I'm talking.
On your knees.
I'm talking.
On your knees.
I'm
Get
talking.
down.
Let my girl get here. Let my girl get here,
Stop
bro.
moving this round.
Let my girl get here. That's it. That's all I ask you. Let my girl get
Get
here.
past that, man.
Y'all serious?
Serious.
Y'all serious?
And the second one goes down. Thanks for joining us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, ring the bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can be in the live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, Wanìshi. Thank you. And I'll see you later.